Okay, so it says to solve each equation and check your solution. So one way you can solve these is just to isolate or get the variable alone, right? And so in this case, you want y by itself. So what plus 6 equals 9? In my head, I'm thinking there's some number plus 6 that will equal 9. So I'm just going to actually subtract 9 minus 6, 3, right? And then 3 plus 6 equals 9 in my head. So I know that that's going to be 3. But how do you solve it when it's not that simple, right? So you actually can subtract 6 from this side. So if you subtract 6, you're left with y, right? Because that would be 0. Those would cancel out. But whatever you do to one side of an equal sign, you have to do to the other. So 9 minus 6 on that side equals 3. So this becomes y equals 3. Same thing over here. If you want to get x by itself, you have to subtract what's on this side, x minus 3. So that would just be x on this side. Those would cancel out. And whatever you do to this side, you have to do this side. 1 minus 3 equals negative 2. Right? 1 minus 3 is 1 plus negative 3, which then you change to flip it, 3 minus 1, and you'd get 2, but it's negative since that's bigger. Last but not least, on this side, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. We want a by itself, so I'm going to subtract 4 from this side. Those would cancel out. You'd be left with a. And then this would be minus 4, but this is actually minus 3 plus minus 4, which is 3 plus 4 is 7, negative 7. So those are my answers.